We hope that everybody considers McAllen ISD as their district of choice. We know that we offer a quality program, and we're confident that if you bring your child to McAllen, that we'll put them in a position to excel.
The students are engaged with the instructional aid or with a teacher or independent work, and they're all working on either phonological awareness skills, either phonics skills, they're doing independent reading. There's a lot of hands-on activities.
We're excited about the pre-K tuition-based option because it gives parents that don't qualify for pre-K an opportunity to join our district. So we're excited because it gives children an opportunity to get into the school system earlier, and we know that we can do a great job educating them and getting them prepared for a K-12 experience.